my plan. Okay.
Sharon, you're going to do that?
Yeah.
Can I say what the fuck?
Come on. What could go wrong?
It's okay. She has curly hair.
I have curly hair and I've watched YouTube videos all morning. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do like a bunch of little rubber bands so I can like get the length right without having to see it. I can feel the length.
I'm terrified.
I'm terrified.
Okay. Alrighty, so let's do this.
You are so brave.
Wow.
Yeah, you've been drinking. Now you gotta stop.
No one can find me!
Stop, Sharon.
Oh, I love your
idea.
hair.
I think it looks
It's
wonderful.
gorgeous.
This was like, you guys were like tons of fun. This is what girlfriends are for, so.
Dang, such courage.
Well,
Absolutely.
Sharon.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't talk, I'm still listening. Yeah, I still am. Hi, did you miss it?
I think I missed it.
You did, but you got the end result, so this is it.
Oh my gosh, turn around.
Yeah.
Karen! Oh my gosh. Are you pleased?
I love it. I really fucking did. When I look at the way it was before, it's like that wasn't fun at all. Like this is like just a lot more fun.